Got the Lithia burger or Lithia sandwich. Morning. Just my living stuff. Thanks, buddy. Cali. That's the first time they ever asked me, what do you got in the back? I don't know. My house. Guys, what's up, kid? We're near Susanville, California. We've just been driving through rain and rain and rain. It'll probably just be rain for the next however many days I want to stay anywhere around here north. So, oh no, you want to go outside. You don't even know what it's like out there, but we're gonna go out there anyway, okay? So, I don't even know what I'm talking about. We're still driving up to Oregon. Today is Monday. I think I'm gonna just delay it till... I want to get there on Wednesday. I could easily get there today, but I don't know why I'm waiting till Wednesday. I kind of want to just let all this stuff pass before I get the trailer and drive back down. I feel like the next couple days, the next 2 days are going to be the worst days out of the week. So there's just no rush to get up there and get the trailer or to drive back through it. So I'm just going to stall out until then. But let's go on a walk in this rain. Well, as usual, I'm pretty good at changing my mind pretty fast. I was thinking of, you know, I'm only like 4 hours away from my friend's house where the trailer is. You know, why stall it out for 2 days just because it's storming and staying at rest stops and stuff when I can just make the 4 or 5 hour drive right now and just be somewhere parked. I don't have to worry about being parked at a rest stop. I just let Jade out or whatever. Know that she's gonna want to be out in this anyway, but might as well just go there, and then I'll stay there till Wednesday. Let all this heavy rain pass, and then I'm going to be going through some snow out maybe here in the next 2 hours or so when I get up in the Shasta Forest. So it's just going to be a long day of driving today, boys.
What are you doing?
Good.
Carrying your chains?
Yeah, I got chains.
Okay, yeah, if you want to pull over just in front of this pickup truck and put them on.
All right. Thank you. Yeah, thanks too. Already getting a little slidey here. Well, it's chain time. I'm glad I'm getting this drive over with now, I guess, right? Because the next day or two will be bad. You stay in here. I'll turn the heater on. Well, I think I chose the worst week to go up to Oregon, isn't it? Back-to-back storms here. Whew, okay, it's a little too hot. All right, we'll see what this turns into. Wish me luck. Is that a good start? Huh. I don't know how the hell that happened. Alright, we'll see how that works. You know, the chains, they lock up together. And I think I just locked them the wrong way, so they just pop out. So, good thing that happened sooner than later. Let's see how this goes. Check these things. Maybe I'm just not used to chains, but they just sound so clunky. I guess also if I'm not driving on, if I'm just driving on the roads, it'll sound weird, but just make sure they're still intact. What all the flapping is. Let's see, I'm trying to figure this out. So my wire cutters weren't strong enough, so I just tied that on there. I just don't know what else to do. So each one of these have two. I don't know. All I can do is just keep on going. Man, those chains are annoying. I'm hoping it's only less than 30 miles, but I couldn't tell you. I don't have service, but I've been clonking on those things. Yee. What over there? What over there? Jeep, what over there? Oh. How was that? Oh, shoobity! I'm gonna take my chains off. I've seen like a dozen cars go by with no chains on, and if it's gonna be like this the rest of the way, I'm just gonna mess my chains up. So if I see somewhere where I can pull over, I'm gonna take them off. Which looks like right here. Here we go. Hopefully that's not a mistake. Alright guys, I'm here at my friend's house. Made the long haul. It's been like an 11-hour drive. That snow sure slowed things down. I'm not looking forward to bringing the trailer back through that way. I might have to figure out a different route, but I'm gonna enjoy this cider. Just have an easy, probably ramen dinner tonight. And I will see you guys in the morning. We'll go take a look at the trailer, see how it's looking, and I got a couple art projects I kind of want to do too, so we'll see you in the morning, alright? Cheers. Morning. Man, I slept, it seemed like almost 12 hours. Yesterday it was such a long day. But let's go check out the trailer. I was thinking, man, I might just post it on Facebook today and see if anybody bites. Jubilee! Jade likes being here. Come over here, Jade. Stay here. Or he'll be the trailer. My bread racks. Let's open it up, shall we? Hopefully everything in there's not wet. Well, here's the mess. And there's so much stuff in here. Ugh. This is pretty much the stuff I want to keep. My beloved signs, Bobby's light, box of random stuff, the old fan. Take this tarp off and then it's pretty sad, but like I said, I just don't see myself using it anymore. I don't know what I was thinking, but I can use the money right now, so. All right, it's official. It's officially for sale. Pretty nice to see the sun. It's supposed to be raining all day today. Maybe later on. What are you doing out there? Well, whoa. I think I'm gonna just take a little easy morning for the next hour or so, and then I'll get back to you guys. And I got some projects I want to do. Well, I know this video is just all over the place today. I don't know what the whole plot of it is. Welcome to my life. But just like that, my plan worked. Post the trailer and just get rid of it all at once so I don't have to deal with it. I don't want to have to drive back in the snow with it, you know? And sure enough, that's what happened. I went to a really nice couple who's gonna treat it well and get good use out of it, so it makes me feel good. It was sad to see it drive away, but it's a burden off my shoulders now. I can let that idea go, so I need to shower very badly. I've not showered in many days, and I am just going to treat myself to a hotel room here and take a nice shower and start these art projects that I've been wanting to do all day, but I've been so tied up with the trailer. So we will see ya at the hotel, or maybe around then, before then. Like I said, I don't know what's up with this video, so just come along with the ride. Well, here I am again, changing my mind. I was thinking, why would I pay like $8 for a room right now and really just need a shower? I really care less about sleeping in a bed. So, I'm gonna take a shower here and then go from there. What we're doing here. Woo! Chotaka doggy!
Frankly, the only choice in a lot of cases to get you from a smaller city to a smaller city. It's great to be.
Alright, so the chains are out of the way. Shower, fueled up. Last but not least is food. If I'm not gonna treat myself to a hotel room, you'll bet your booty I'm gonna treat myself to food. Maybe even a sandwich. It's the only place that was open on a Tuesday night that seemed like they might have a sandwich that wasn't Subway or something, so I need something to drink. But anyway, let's see what Wild Goose is like. I think I'm just gonna bring it out to the van, get it to go, and I'll show you what it looks like, because I don't have the courage to bring the camera in there. Alright guys, here we go. Service is pretty good. Atmosphere good. We got Jade chicken breast. Smells good. Feels like it's hot. Got the Lithia burger, or Lithia sandwich. That's what they call it. I got this from my old friend Charles. It's got chilies in it. Some green chilies. And turkey, cheddar cheese, I think. Tomato on sourdough bread. Looks good. Oh, that's good. Little fries. Alright, Jade, here's your chicken breast. Chicken breast and crunchies. Mmm. Well, you can eat it. Ooh, yeah. Wild Goose Cafe and Bar, pretty dang good. Whew. I feel like I should let you go, but we're just gonna keep on going. I think I'm gonna drive for a little bit tonight. I just feel a little bit hyped up for getting rid of the trailer, man. What a weight off my shoulders, just being able to just move on from that idea for now. And financially is good because, you know, that'll hold me over for a while now, so that kind of, so I'm gonna finish eating this up, and then we'll go back on the road and see how far I want to drive. It sounds good now, but after an hour I might be like, oh no, I'm good, I'm just gonna sleep for the night. So I'll see you guys in a second. No inspection today. Alrighty, I might as well bring in my bananas to California. Alright guys, I didn't make it too long, just outside of, across the border of California, I should say. I was going to say outside of Oregon. Technically both the same thing, but they look spooky. But I'm at the rest stop. As hyped up as I am, I should probably sleep and save energy for tomorrow. A couple more hours of driving ain't gonna do me no good, especially if it's gonna be through ice and snow. Hopefully you're seeing some cool Mount Shasta shots right now instead of my haunted face. And as always, we love you. Thank you, Patreons and donators. We'll see you on the next adventure. Adios. Whoa.